How to transfer USDT to Solana. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer USDT to Solana. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Phantom wallet or any other wallet. After you do that, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to the wallet section on the bottom right. After you're on the wallet section, what you'll then need to do is simply go to the funding section. So swipe from the top, you'll see overview, spot, and different options. So what you'll need to do is head over to the funding one. You can see your USDT, all the values, your Solana, and everything. But we don't want that. We'll just come to the home page, then tap on this convert option. After you tap on the convert option, now you can simply choose your USDT and then Solana. So what we'll do is we'll come back to our wallet, choose our USDT. Then after we choose our USDT, we can then tap on send USDT and choose our address. Now you can open up another wallet, whichever wallet that you feel is useful. From there you can choose the date. You can tap on receive, choose your USDT, and then finally copy the address, come back to our wallet, and then paste the address. Choose Solana network, then finally your withdrawal amount, and tap on withdraw. After you do that, you'll have transferred your USDT to Solana, and that's how simple and easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye.